Today I want to share some home tips for weight loss. The tips I'll share today is totally out of my experience, which has really helped my clients. The most important thing is that weight loss has to be a natural process and not a stressful one. Let's see what all can help you lose weight. Oh, this helps in a big way. By giving up refined salt, I mean drastically cut on salt-loaded junk like chips, namkeen. Also, move to rock salt or Himalayan pink salt. Refined salt promotes water retention and bloating, which shows up as weight for some. And by giving up sugar, I mean giving up sugar-loaded junk sweets like donuts, pastries. If you are having a teaspoon of sugar in your tea and balancing the rest of the day, you do not need to stress. If you only cut out the salt and sugar, this itself will help you shed a few kilos. I can't emphasize enough on the benefits of fasting. Only when your body fasts for at least 12 hours, your insulin level zeroes down and then you start burning fat. Fasting not only helps you lose weight, but also with a better digestion, calmer mind, better sleep, and so much more. All itself are a part of weight loss. Start with 12 hours of fasting. So say if you've finished eating your dinner by 7 p.m. today, the next morning you need to fast till 7 a.m. Once you're comfortable with 12 hours, you gradually move to 14 hours. I have clients who fast for 16 hours and eat in the 8-hour window. They've lost so much weight, their health is so much better, and now their body is used to that eating pattern. Believe it or not, this one change has helped so many of them lose weight, and it can help you too. As the sun sets, you are less active and your metabolism goes down. An early light dinner will definitely help you digest the food well, sleep better, and have a better metabolism. Try to finish our dinner by 7 p.m. Now the office goers will ask, how do we manage if we come home late? The answer is that you have to eat a healthy evening snack at office itself, which is as filling as dinner. Our Indian meals are full of carbs, especially for vegetarians. Protein is that nutrient which gives you satiety, meaning the feeling of fullness. It will keep you full for a long time and prevent you from munching frequently. So, make sure you add protein to every meal and reduce your carb intake. Did you know movement is more important than exercise? Yes, definitely you need to exercise regularly. But if you're exercising 1 hour of the day and rest of the day you are sitting in one place, it will be of no help. Initially, I had a lot of them say, yeah, we are exercising but we are not losing weight. Then what I asked them is, what about the rest of the day? They said, yeah. Once they started enough movement, their weight started moving. So put reminders and move from your seat every single hour of the day. All the hormonal balance happens when you sleep. If you're not getting enough good quality sleep, you're sure to experience hormonal imbalance. And hormonal imbalance can affect your eating pattern and stimulate appetite. I could clearly see a stark difference in the weight loss journey of people who slept well versus who had a sleep disturbance. Mental health is as important as physical health. Stress increases cortisol levels. High cortisol can increase your appetite. It also increases cravings for sugary and salty foods. A calmer mind will definitely look out for more clean food. So find ways to deal with stress. In my practice, I come across all kinds of people. There are some who keep going on and get amazing results. There are some who give up very soon. For some, weight loss is a slow process. For some, it's very fast. Everyone's body type is different. It's not about how slow or fast you lose weight. It's about being consistent. It's not about losing health to lose some pounds. Balance is a key. Do not overtrain or do not overstarve. Eat healthy and lose weight. The longer it takes, it's better. Even if you take a year to lose weight, it's okay. The key is it should be sustainable weight loss. Remember, if you lose weight faster, you will gain that weight back faster as well. So, be consistent. Do not get fooled by offers like lose 7 kgs in 7 days. Go slow, always health first. To sum it up, cut down salt and sugar intake. Start fasting, shift your dinner time, increase protein intake, keep moving, be consistent, sleep better, and find ways to cope with your stress levels. And then you see the magic happen. Don't worry even if it's slow. If you found this video interesting, do subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do it now so that you don't miss out on my future videos.